Good morning children, I am Kesan sir, working as mathematics teacher in Dr. Besant school. In previous class we have discussed the second chapter. Now today onwards we are going to discuss third chapter, the world of numbers. What is the topic today? The world of numbers. The world of numbers. Okay, all of you open your studio book. We know that Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration mainly depends on this only. We have to discuss this topic. The page number 58. If one more ticket is sold in ones, tens, thousands, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay, 111 99999. Okay, just we have to add 1, then 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10. Okay, 9 plus 1 10, 1 plus 9 10, 1 plus 9 10. So 1 to 1 to 10 to 100, 1000, 10,000, 10,000. So 1 to 10 to 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So this is 1 lakh. Okay, so this is lakhs up to 10,000 written. Now this is lakhs period. Okay, next fill in the blanks to extend the pattern. 99,000 plus 99,999 plus 1, that is equal to 1 lakh. Next 999 plus 1, that is equal to 1000. Okay, next how many digits do these numbers have? See, how many digits do these numbers? See, how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits. A new period called the lakhs period. So what is the new period here? The lakhs period is the new period. Okay children, next. Now we know that Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Once I will tell that Indian system of numeration. So first of all, Indian system of numeration ones, tens, hundreds. So this is ones period. So place values 1 to 10 to 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, like this. 1 to 10 to 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, next remaining 100 crore, like this. This is the Indian system of numeration. So what about the international system of numeration? International system of numeration. So international system of numeration. ones, tens, hundred. So this is ones period only. Okay. Next, 1000, 10,000. Next, 100,000. So this is thousands period. Next, million, 10 million. Next, 100 million. So this is the millions period. Okay. So this is millions period, this is thousand period, this is ones period. So next, same as usual, billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. So this is about international system of numeration. Okay. Already I explained this two systems in previously. Next, now observe here, observe here, ones period, ones, tens, hundred, thousands period, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs period, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So which system it is? Indian system of numeration. Okay. Next, so observe here the difference between 1 lakh and 10 lakh. So in 1 lakh, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. Okay. Observe here, 10 lakhs, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are there. So this is the difference between the number of digits will be increased if the place values increased, then the number of digits will be increased. Okay. So this place value chart you have to observe. Observe the children this one. Next, 1 lakh is written as 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 10 lakh is written as 10, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now answer the following questions using the place value table in figure 2. So first, how many 10,000s will make 1 lakh? So we know that 10,000s is equal to 1 lakh, no? That's why the answer is 10,000s will make 1 lakh. Clear? Next, how many 1 lakhs will make 10 lakhs? So 10 lakhs will be, so 10 into 1 lakh is equal to 10 lakhs. So 10 1 lakhs will make 10 lakhs. 10 1 lakhs will make 10 lakhs. Observe here. So by putting together 10 groups of the previous place, we get a new place in the place value system of numbers. Okay. Next, observe this one. For example, the number 21,55,167 will be read as, so what is the number name? 21,55,167. Okay, what is that? Sin. 21,55,167. So now the place value chart, observe. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So 21 lakh, 55,167. Okay, children. Next. Now this is, you have to observe. See, we have to write the number name. See, I will explain on the blackboard once you see this. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. 5, 8, 0, 2, 301, 631859. So number formed. So what is the number formed? Okay. So observe here. This is 58 lakh. 58 lakh. Okay. 58 lakh. Next. 2000 means 02. 2301. Okay. So how we can write 58 lakh, 2000, 301, 301. This is first one. Next this one. This is 6 lakh, 859. So 6 lakh, 31,000, 859. 859. Children, like this you have to do the remaining problems. I hope it's very clear. Children, note down this one. The remaining once you observe. $29 lakh 47,000 and 2. This is third one. Observe the fourth one. 14 lakh 17,556. Next, last one. 4 lakh 89,000 only. 4 lakh 89,000. So these are the examples. You can do it. Understood or not? Children, all these sums note down in your studio book. Okay? I hope it's very clear. I will send the PDF also. Next, some more I will tell you. The place value system which has periods of, what are the periods? Lakhs, thousands and ones, is called Indian system of numeration. This is very, very, very important. What about the place value system? We know that ones, thousands, lakhs. See, periods, not periods. What about the periods? Periods is different than place values. Periods, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, these are the periods. In this system, the number of places in the once period, how many are there? 3 places. One, that is what? Ones, tens, 100. Thousands period, thousands, 10,000s. So 2. Lakhs period, lakhs, 10 lakhs. How many? 2. So this is next. I hope it's very clear. Next. Which place is the digit 8 in the given number? See, observe here. Okay. I will explain on blackboard. Please wait, children. See, which place is the digit? Which place is the digit 8 in the number 8 in the number 58 lakh 2,301. So we have to answer. Observe here. This is ones. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So which place is the digit 8 in the number? So this is what? Lakhs. So we have to write lakhs. Okay children, next. So next one more question. What is the face value? What is the place value of the digit 8 in 58 lakh 2,301? We know that itself it is the face value. So 8, what is the face value? Place value or face value? Sorry, face value. Face value means the digit itself. So 8. So the face value is 8 only. Okay. Next. The place of a digit in the number and its face value helps in determining its place value. The place value of 0 irrespective of its place in a number is always 0. When a number is written in the expanded form, each digit of the number is expressed by its place value and added. See, observe here, for example, it can be written expanded form is, okay. So what is the expanded form? In 50 lakhs plus 8 lakhs, this is expanded form. 50 lakhs plus 8 lakhs plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 1. Okay. Next. So in the next class we will discuss the face value and place value. I hope it's very clear. Children, this is my today's class. I hope you understood very well. Children, now I will give you the homework. You have to follow this. Homework. Studio. Okay. Page number 58, 59 and 60. The problems in the pages what I have explained you, that problems you have to practice in your practice book. Okay, you have, as well as you have to write the studio book also. I will send the PDF file. Once you observe the PDF file and complete the studio. Okay children, I hope it's very clear. Thank you for listening. Thank you everybody.